There are many questions related to the use of RAM cannula for non-invasive ventilation in the NICU. Most of you might be using it already or considering using it. I've been using it for many years now for NIPPV especially. And obviously it's a useful interface. Professor Ramanathan had designed it mainly for use with NIPPV. We should keep in mind that there should be a 30% leak around the nares as recommended by him, and it should not be a snug fit because the exhale gas has to come out. The other important point is that the interface is much easier to apply compared to the standard interfaces shown here, the nasal prongs and masks, and you don't need additional devices. It's as easy as using high flow. The circuit compliance means there is a drop in the pressure delivery, so we may not be achieving what we intend to give in terms of the pressure. So if you give 30% more pressure settings compared to what you would normally use, that might offset this effect. In my practice, in the extreme premature babies at extubation, I still prefer the conventional interfaces, but once they are more stable, I wean down to RAM cannula. NIPPV works quite well, and we can use slightly higher settings than you would otherwise use. For example, a PIP of 26 to 28 and a PEEP of 6 to 7 is quite comfortable on this, and you can go even higher in the bigger babies. It does benefit, as shown by the studies by Professor Ramanathan, though other meta-analysis and studies have shown equivocal results. So it depends on your unit preference and what your team is comfortable with. Cost effectiveness is an advantage for this, especially as it is quite cost effective in India, and it can be used for a few days at a time. The selection of the right choice and good nursing care is important, and don't use it for high flow.